5 mistakes Facebook group owners make. There are countless businesses out there that are trying but failing at Facebook groups. The same goes for pages and just about every other marketing option out there. Let's face it, a lot of businesses are a little out of touch when it comes to making the most of the web to engage with their audience. If you've been running a Facebook group for years to no avail, then here's what you need to fix to change all that. 1. Not providing value. The number one worst thing that a lot of businesses do on Facebook groups, and just about every other form of social media, is to post only advertorial content. They might post things like, "Have you tried the latest new feature of X software? We are the top-rated small business in the X area." These posts provide zero value for the end user, and there's no reason for them to read them. Others will post about new updates and changes to their service. The only person that's interesting to is someone who's already using what you've built. 2. Not being consistent. Consistency is key to success in just about every area of life. It's fundamental when it comes to your success on Facebook groups, but a lack of consistency makes your group seem like a ghost town. Post twice a day, if at all possible. 3. Not talking about the group. Even if yours is a secret group, you still want people to join, and simply having a link in the bottom corner of your website is not going to cut it. Instead then, if you want people to sign up, then you need to make sure you are mentioning your group at every opportunity. Mention it in your blog posts, in your videos, and on other social media. 4. Not making it look interesting. If you have a dull logo, a boring description, and a lack of unique content, then why would anyone want to sign up? Even if your business is in a dry B2B industry, find an interesting angle for your group. 5. Having the wrong settings. It's a simple mistake, but if you don't know how to set up your settings, you might be inadvertently losing out on potential members. Make sure that you don't need to approve new members, and make sure that your group is discoverable.